Hey beautiful, welcome back to the channel. You love this gele, right? It's so beautiful. You want to see how I tie it? Sit back, relax, and let's tie it together. Okay, so I'd like to give you information about the gele fabric. This is an ashoke fabric and it is 90 inches long and it has 4 joinings in it, like it has awemere. All right. The measurement I use is 50-50. Yeah, and the 50-50 part, the point where the 50-50 meets is at the middle of our head. All right. And I'm starting up with 5 or 6 pleats. You can decide to use 5, 4, 6, 7 pleats, depending on how you want the pleats to be. All right, so I started with 6 pleats and the gele's V in front. You saw that, right? So for us to achieve the V, we have to slant the pleats that we made. All right, so I traced the pleats to the back. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know how I do this thing on the channel. All right, it's like a routine. So I followed my pleats from the front to the back. So I do that on both sides of the gele and I'll cross it at the back. Remember, we use 50-50 measurement, so either of the flap can go on top and the other one goes below. If you're using like 60-40, that's when the shorter one will go on top. But in this case, this case we're using 50-50. All right, so I'm working on the other flap now, and because we use 50-50, this flap I'm working on has a lot more fabric left, like where my hand is holding, where my right hand is holding, you can see that the fabric is still remaining on this side. All right, that's because we use 50-50, and I'll be using the remaining part here to achieve the side fan. You'll see that later in the video, guys. So basically this video is self-explanatory, and if I need to explain anything, I'll just I'll come up, I would explain it. So I'm working on the other flap now, on the second flap. Just watch it, guys. I'm sure you will understand it. So let's talk. Hey lovely, how have you been? It's been a minute. I'm sorry, I just disappeared. Guys, adulthood is scam, like they say. Well, it's been live, and I'm glad to be back now. I'll try and be consistent with my videos this time around. Expect at least a video from me in a week. All right, and I'll try and be consistent. So that's just by the way. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Miss Z Pro. That's the name on the screen. Miss Z Pro. That's my name on Instagram. That's my name on Facebook, TikTok, across all social media platforms, guys. I'm a professional makeup artist and a gele guru based in Ibadan, Nigeria. Alright, I do mostly gele videos on my channel, but this time around, in the past I used to do makeup tutorials, but I stopped because it was kind of stressful for me. But this time around, I'm bringing it back, guys, so expect lovely, delicious videos from me. All right, so like I said, I'm a professional makeup artist and a gele guru based in Ibadan. So if you have a function in Ibadan and you need a makeup artist or a gele stylist, you can call me for gele alone. You can call me for makeup alone. You can call me for both. Guys, you can be rest assured to get the best. I did the makeup on the model's face, and obviously I'm tying the gele. So if you love what you see, guys, my makeup is better looking in real life. Just be guaranteed that you will get much more better than what you are seeing in the video. Guys, please patronize me. If you have a function, you have a party, or your big day is coming, you can chat me up. I'm leaving my WhatsApp number on the screen, and I will leave it in the description box too, so you can check it out. I'll leave my WhatsApp link so that you can just chat with me just by clicking on the link. All right, and you can also reach out to me on Instagram. You can DM me, send me a message. If you have a style that you want me to tie, please send it to me on WhatsApp or Instagram. I'm most active on those two platforms. All right, so you can send me the style. I'll bring it to life. Thank you so much. If it's your big day is coming, please reach out to me. Let's talk about it. I'm available to travel, but I'm based in Ibadan. I work in Lagos, anywhere across Nigeria and outside Nigeria. I'm available to travel, so just reach out to me. If you're outside Nigeria and you're coming for a function in Nigeria, you can reach out to me. Let's talk about it. You can be rest assured that I will come through whichever part of Nigeria you want me to come and work with you. I'm available to travel, so reach out to me. If you want a training with me, I do one-on-one training, and I do online training on Gele and makeup too, so you can reach out to me if you want any of that. And I have a training coming up soon. I'm going to announce it in my subsequent videos, so look out for it and support me. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're new here, you're welcome. I love you. This is a lovely atmosphere. It's always a lovely atmosphere here, so I'd love to see more of you. And if you like what you are seeing, or you've learnt one or two things, or you find my video helpful, please don't leave here without subscribing to my channel. And I'd really love to see your comments. Please drop me a comment, whatever you feel about the video. If you have a suggestion, or you want me to do something better, or you just want to tell me anything, leave me a comment, guys, and I'm going to reply you. And you can also reach out to me like I said earlier. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm still here, and I hope you are enjoying the video. Please continue watching and watch it to the end, guys. Well, at this point I'm doing the finishing, and it's very important. If if you're a fan, like if you're a family already, you will know that I don't joke with my finishing. Finishing is very important when it comes to Gele. So after doing the pleats, arrangement and everything, you have to make sure you set the Gele. You put everything in place. Right now you can see that side that is out and it's too big. Just look out for how I'm going to fix it. I will tuck it in. I'll pull it and tuck it in on the other side. Just look out, guys. Just watch it. You're going to see how I'll do it. So I'll carefully follow the pleat and I'll tuck it in on this side. So that's just it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Reach out to me if you have anything to tell me. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope to see more of you. Love you. Bye. See you in my next video.